What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I just want to go over really quickly, as quick as I possibly can, what exactly is Clean Biz Network and who it's for, what we have to offer, who can we help, all of that, right? So before I go into it, just so you can see, right now I'm on cleanbiznetwork.app, okay? So that's at our website, www.cleanbiznetwork.app, because we are a software company. It's just an application to help people start and grow cleaning companies, okay? So it's an application that has proposal generators, bidding calculators, so you can get your price right. We're a coaching program as well, so I coach you to help you get all of the answers that you need to help with your cleaning company. We are a network, right? Clean Biz Network, okay? So it's a network of other entrepreneurs that you can ask questions from as well, and so many other resources that I'm going to get to in a minute. But I just want to kind of give you an overview of what Clean Biz Network actually is. All right, now a little bit about me. I'm just a guy who started a cleaning franchise at 19 years old. I'm 35 now, but at 19 years old, I bought a cleaning franchise. It didn't go that well for me. I bought another one again in my mid 20s. It went very well. I became the franchise owner of the year, honorable mention. And then I went on to actually work for cleaning franchises as well as an operations manager and franchise consultant, teaching other franchise owners how to run a company. But long story short, I didn't like the franchise model and the way that they were treating the unit franchise owners, so I decided to create my own company that would help people build independent cleaning companies. And while we help franchise owners as well, we really try to push the independent narrative, because we want you to get all of your money, right? Not just a piece of it, right? We want you to be the best possible cleaning company that you can possibly be, right? So that's what Clean Biz Network is, and that's why I started it. So this is the website. You can watch that video just to learn a little quick story about me again. A lot of details on this page. I definitely encourage you to read through all of it, but just to get an overview of what we are, we got courses and coaching that's included with membership. We have a business software, so it's a full CRM program, not just one or two things. It's a full CRM. All right, and we have a support network, and we actually meet up every year at this Clean Biz Network conference as well. We just had one just passed. All right, so join us in this all-inclusive software and coaching program. All right, so imagine if your favorite software that you needed had coaching to come along with it. That's exactly what this is. All right, so we have two memberships. We have the basic membership and the automation membership. All right, so the basic membership, what you get is you get unlimited pricing estimates, proposals, walkthroughs, and inspections. You get the Clean Business Starter course, monthly coaching calls. Actually, we do weekly coaching calls right now. We do a private Facebook group so you can interact with the other members of the network. We have invoicing with online payments, so you can send invoices straight from our software. Like I said, it's a full CRM. You can text and email directly through our software. Manage your Google My Business, website creation, web chat bot. So if somebody's on your website and they want to book a call or they want to send some type of message to you, all of that can be managed through our platform. If somebody calls your phone number, which you can get a phone number through us as well. Okay, so we actually have a phone number as well as a website. You can get your website through us. So you don't have to worry about paying all these outside web host providers anymore. You can make unlimited websites clean through us. All right, and it'll be no additional cost other than your monthly subscription fee. All right, and so this costs $9.97 a year or $99 a month. All right. What else we got here? And it tells you the details of all of that. Also, we are also a full-fledged lead generation service. All right, so if you want to buy leads from us in addition to your subscription, you can do so. For members of Clean Biz Network, any level of membership plan you're on, the leads will be discounted. Right now they're about $100 per appointment, so they're not just leads, they're really appointments. All right, so the way our lead generation service works is you fill out a quick application, and then we'll call businesses in your area based on the information that you provide on the application, and we'll schedule an appointment for you to meet with them and provide them with these quote for cleaning services. All right, and you just really show up and close the deal. We tell you who to speak to. We record the call so you can hear exactly what we said. All of that. All right, so that's also included at a discount to members. If you're not a member of Clean Biz Network, you can still buy leads, but it will cost you an additional. So right now the cost for non-members is $150 per appointment. All right, so that's pretty much the overview for the basic membership. For the automation membership, the real main difference here is this Clean Biz Automation course. All right, so the Clean Biz Automation course is the real main difference between the two plans, because it is going to teach you really how to Number one, instead of buying leads from us, it's going to show you how to hire your own cold callers and have them set leads for you. We'll even go as far as providing you with a trained cold caller, so you don't have to go searching to hire them on your own. And then we also have a part inside of that course as well that's going to show you how to attract quality 1099 contractors to help scale your business very quickly and efficiently. All right. It comes with everything in the basic membership. We do monthly cleaning business automation calls in addition to the CBN regular CBN weekly calls that you can also join. You get access to a different cleaning business automation Facebook group. We got calendar automations. You can actually create funnels. So in the basic plan, you can't create funnels. On the automation plan, you can create funnels. Another huge one is you can host your own coaching memberships and courses. So a lot of you guys, if you're bigger, you're more established, you're ready to become a coach yourself, then guess what? We'll host that for you. You don't have to go pay Thinkific and Teachable and all of these other things, Kajabi. We have everything they have right here in the CRM. All right. So you see the full LMS is the same thing for the most part, learner management system. And so what this is also here for is not just for those who want to coach, because maybe you don't want to coach, but one thing you do want to do is have a great training system for your staff and your contractors. So you can create that right on our LMS, our learner management system here in Clean Biz Network software. All right. We got automation workflows, custom forms, social media planning. So that's right. You can actually plan your social media right through our platform. Write blogs, do your email marketing, text messages as well. Affiliate managers, so you'll be an affiliate with us on this bigger plan. Discounts on our lead generation service. So, and also so I just told you that's going to come inside the course. So you can actually, instead of buying leads from us, you just hire your own caller and we'll show you how to do that. And then it also gives you more minutes and texts and emails on this particular plan here. So right now, and it's something we never did before, but we're doing monthly payments on the automation plan. All right. So it's going to be $199. So we used to have a payment plan that you could pay it off. We don't do that anymore. Instead, this is an ongoing program. So if you don't pay your monthly fee or your annual fee, then you just lose access to everything, including the courses. All right. And so that's where we're going to go right this. Now, this is subject to change. The automation program is probably going to change soon, and we're going to gear it more towards building your brand and basically just learning how to get paid to be you. But for now, it still is revolved around building your cleaning business and automated it. All right. But soon we're going to have so many more resources. I'm just telling you right now, it's always best to get in early with me rather than later, because guess what? It's always the price will typically go up. All right. So just make sure you get in as soon as possible. And if you scroll down, we have other programs as well. So our cleaning business starter kit, you can get that, and we will literally ship all of these supplies to your house or your office, wherever you want them shipped to. And it will come with 10 leads from our lead generation service included. You can get it without leads if you choose, but I recommend getting the leads. All right. And so what those leads are going to do is ensure that you can get your first customer as soon as possible. All right. This right here, this Cleaning Biz Starter Kit, is actually the same as this plan. So everything in the basic member plan, you also get with the Cleaning Business Starter Kit. All right. And you get this for 1 year free. So you get 1 year free basic to the basic membership when you get a Cleaning Business Starter Kit. All right. So I definitely, if you haven't gotten started at all and you want to provide your equipment and everything, I highly recommend the Cleaning Business Starter Kit. All right. And it'll put you on a basic plan for free for 1 year. All right. And I already told you about the lead generation service. If you scroll down, this is what this is about. So if you're interested, you click that red button and you can buy leads. It's a very simple application. You don't have to be a member to buy leads. And there's that. We got a few testimonials down here. But really, if you're aware of the AJ Simmons YouTube channel, then you already know we have countless testimonials. All right. So if you're interested, click that enroll button. It'll take you back here. And you can just join whenever you're ready on an annual plan or a monthly subscription. All right. Wanted to come here real quick and give you a brief overview, but I highly recommend, if anybody is in the cleaning industry, period, and soon it's going to be the service industry because we're going to expand. But if you're in the cleaning business industry, highly recommended that you be a member of Clean Biz Network. Okay. Even if you just want to try it out and start with the monthly plan, just to try it out and see what we have. And then if you like it, you can go ahead and pay for the annual plan and get that discount that comes with the annual payment, or just stick to the monthly payments. But that's what I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. Thank you for watching. I am out. Peace to the Clean Business Network family. Oh, and for those who stayed to the end, thank you so much for staying. I got a treat for you. So I forgot to mention one thing. Our CRM, our new CRM platform, is only viewable on a desktop. Okay, so definitely while we're making the mobile app updated, then guess what you can do. So make sure, number one, actually, before I go into what you can do, number one, make sure that you have a desktop or tablet available to view our CRM program, because it's not quite mobile friendly yet. But guess what we do have? We have the Clean Biz Network mobile app that is a companion to our desktop version. So I'm going to show you that. So if you go to download the Clean Biz Network mobile app, when you download it right now, this is what it looks like. It won't look like this for very long, but this is just a temporary app to hold my Clean Biz Network members until we get the mobile app to reflect the website. So with that said, this right here is completely free right now. So if you need to buy leads, or if you need to do a walkthrough, if you need to do a pricing, if you need help with pricing, try out our pricing calculator. And you can just click on it. Let's just say you want to bid on a commercial job. You can see you can literally come in here and enter your details. So you just put it, okay, let's just say you're going to clean for McDonald's, right? So McDonald's, put that information there. You can put the address, all of that in the information there. Put how many square feet it was when you measured it. Let's just say it was 20,000 square feet. Put it if it was and it'll tell you for this particular area, it's carpeted area, because that's what the area I put it in. It tells you how many square foot, how long it would take to clean that area. All right, if you got tums in the area, and tums are toilets, urinals, mirrors, and sinks. Say they got 7 tums, then add more time to it. You tell it how much you want to pay your people per hour, then it'll tell you how much you charge your customer per hour. Tell them how many days you want to clean per week, and voila, you got a monthly estimate. All right, so just something to play with here. I'm going to go back to the app, but definitely download the Clean Biz Network app right now while you can, because right now it's free. So treat it as a free trial for this very moment. All right, now again, that mobile app is just based off the basic features of Clean Biz Network: your bidding calculators, your proposals, a classic invoice is not an invoice where you can send get paid online like how we have on our real CRM on the desktop version, but you can just create a PDF invoice and send that over to your people, and that's pretty much it. So just take a look. Don't request to join the Facebook group, because we will deny you if you're not an actual Clean Biz Network member. But you can come here and get your business insurance, get your business credit card through American Express, get some business funding through Clean Biz Network and our partners. Hire a bookkeeper. That's the bookkeeping company that I use, so I recommend it to you guys and everything there. So definitely download the Clean Biz Network mobile app as well to check out, just some of the basic tools that we have, but it definitely won't show you everything that we have inside of Clean Biz Network, not even close. So that's what I got for y'all. Talk to y'all later. Thank you.